I don't know what to do. We're at our farm and we're gonna check out the blizzard. Come on. Look at that, all the snow. This is a lot of snow, and we're gonna get a lot more. What? Let's see how my dogs do. The snow is, the wind is blowing the snow over here. I just saw it. The wind blows the on the ground, but it's not too bad. Over here. He's not out.
Call Hunter.
Hunter! Hunter!
Hunter!
Oh, no! It's going in my boot.
There he is! How you doing, Hunter? It's cold out here. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, world. Say it again.
Hi. Let's get my dog Hunter.
Yeah, it looks like he's going back in. He's going back in to keep warm.
How much snow did you have? Send us a video.